So the writing lab got started through a conversation. Shannon, Christine, and I would frequently talk about how we can make kids' writing better, but not just in the classroom, but where kids see writing as something that we do all the time. When we were talking, Shannon mentioned, well, what if we had a writing lab similar to what they have in colleges? And every spring, Dennis Best sends an email out to the faculty and says, does anyone have any ideas or innovative thoughts that they want to present to the administration? And so the two of us got together and decided that we wanted to present this as an idea. And after some research and preparing a slideshow, they said yes.
Once we got approval for the project and we started to plan and design the usage of the space, Hope and I were both assigned period 3 at lunch to man the writing lab. We have students coming in from either lunch or from classes. Some classes that we have actually assisted teachers in planning writing projects could include the health class and AP seminar class. Students can also come from any of their other classes during period 3 to get an extra set of eyes for revision and editing for their writing. Students have worked on college essays, they have worked on scholarships, some may even start to work on speeches with us. Anywhere that they need an extra piece of assistance or a tip or just a sounding board for their writing, we're available to help them with that.
For the writing lab, I know you can use it for like a multitude of different things, but I used it a lot for scholarships that I was writing since I'm a senior this year. I had one scholarship that was for half of my tuition, which I used the writing lab to get me into a finalist spot for my next step to do the interview. And then it also helped me get into the honors college at my school, which required essays. So a lot of scholarship work that I did in the writing lab.
I used the writing lab for when I needed help with my individual research report for AP seminar, and I'm going to use it again soon.
The writing lab can be used in many different ways. It could be used for subjects, it could be used for college, it could be used for scholarship. So getting involved is a good thing because you will learn how to write better.
As this is our first year of the writing lab, we intend to grow the program. So Hope and I are looking at how many students are accessing the writing lab. We're going to go through based on student needs, based on teacher needs within the building, and basically develop the program out. We hope eventually to have some online tutorials available so that students could access those online and not only use the writing lab in person, but also in a virtual space. We also intend to eventually train student mentors so that they could end up serving as peer editors and mentors for their fellow students within that writing lab space. Ideally, we could even see this growing beyond and perhaps getting local colleges, universities available and in so that they could help facilitate and give us another perspective with which to continue to grow this program. So this is the first year, but we intend to have continued success with it.